Hi, everyone. This is McDonald Worley, attorneys at law, and today we're going to be discussing tractor, trailer, and bus crash facts. It's going to be truck accidents by the numbers. What does the data say about truck accidents? Well, we had a researcher look into this, and motor vehicle fatal crash statistics involving large trucks and buses in fiscal year 2013 had a little over 30,000. In fiscal year 2012, there was almost 31,000. Fiscal year 2011, a little over 29,800, while in fiscal year 2010, there was a little bit over 30,200. So it's been bouncing up and down. This is according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Annual statistics for fatal crashes involving large trucks and buses does not reveal a pattern. However, 2012 proved the deadliest year by as many as 1,000 additional victims. Large trucks and buses injury crash statistics. In this case, in fiscal year 2010, there were 70,000 incidents. In fiscal year 2011, it was just a little under 80,000. Fiscal year 2012, it was just under 90,000. And in fiscal year 2013, it rose slightly above 90,000 incidents involving large trucks and buses. The number of accidents involving semi-trucks resulting in injuries has been growing according to the NHTSA data. The percentage of fatal crashes by time of day and day of the week. Daytime crashes came in at 64%, nighttime 28%, weekday at 78%, and weekends allotted for 22%. The majority of fatal crashes are occurring on weekdays during the daytime. This can be explained by the higher frequency of activity during these periods by big rigs, tractor trailers, and other commercial vehicles. So where do large truck crashes most commonly occur? On the road type interstates and freeways, deaths occurred at 31% of the time, while on other major roadways, 59% of the time, and minor roads accounted for 9% of the large truck crashes. And this, again, is according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. So the data indicates major roadways are more dangerous than the highways and more likely the location of a fatal accident involving 18-wheelers and similar vehicles. So looking into the backgrounds of the drivers involved in these accidents, the previous driving records of drivers involved in fatal traffic crashes, according to 2012 data, large truck drivers had a disproportionate amount of speeding convictions, while DWI convictions were low, and they did have a history of recorded crashes just coming up a little under 15% in that case. And then another outlier would be with motorcycle-involved accidents. There was speeding convictions were the highest at over 22% or so, and within their driving background, and DWIs were the highest as well in their history. So the data indicates professional drivers with a history of speeding on their record are more likely to be involved in a deadly crash. And according to a large truck crash causation study by the government, the number of involved vehicles by critical reason, trucks involved from 2001 to 2003, unknown reason accounted for a little over 1% or so, nominal for environmental weather-related causes. The highway environment issues came in next. Vehicle-related factors came in as well, following that still under 10,000. Driver performance factors still under 10,000, and then driver decision factors. Driver decision factors accounted for the second highest number of causal. It was the second highest causal factor, with the number one being no driver error occurring, and this according to the crash causation study. And so the majority of accidents were found not to be caused by driver error. However, driver decision errors ranked the second leading cause of a truck crash. And events which led to crashes included, according to the study, loss of control of the truck, poor road conditions due to poor road maintenance or weather, shifting cargo, traveling too fast for road conditions, improper truck maneuvering during events, turns, and passing through intersections, driver fatigue, etc. And the number of trucks by general accident type from 2001 to 2003 data. By general accident type, the accident type of miscellaneous number of trucks involved roughly 36,409. Right roadside departure, roughly 14,023. Rear end incidents, 31,935. The same traffic way, same direction, leading to head-ons and things of that nature would be 14,785. Left roadside departure, 11,110. Straight paths, 8,272. Same traffic way, opposite directions, 6,433. So even a rear-end accident can be significant when the mass of a tractor trailer is taken into consideration. And safety belt use among fatally injured large truck drivers, and according to 2014 data, we're looking at seatbelt was used in 46% of the incidents reported. 35% were reported as being unbelted, and 20% of reports were unknown whether they were wearing a seatbelt or not. So any number of unbelted drivers is too high, as they can drastically reduce the severity of injuries and save lives. Safety alert from our law firm. Take our word, a car wreck can occur at any time, often when you least expect it. Stay alert and stay safe. For more information, share what happened with a top U.S. trial attorney. Visit mcdonaldworley.com. If you have been involved in a crash involving a semi-truck, contact us immediately to get more information about your legal rights.